Welcome, in front of me is a HUAWEI P40 Lite 5G, and today I'll show you how to enable the power saving mode. And to get started, pull down the notification panel and find the battery toggle, so ultra power saving mode right now. So if you enable this right now, it will go into the ultra power saving mode, but you can also hold the toggle and it will take you to the settings where you can just enable the normal power saving mode, the one that doesn't actually change the entire look of the phone. Tap on enable, and this will basically disable a couple things like your Wi-Fi and mobile data when the device is sleeping. Also, because of that, you will be receiving notifications less often, especially when the device is not being used. And in certain cases, it also drops the performance, so like your CPU gets clocked down a little bit to also preserve the battery, and in this case also in certain cases battery, but it looks like the battery stays, or not the battery, the display I meant, brightness stays the same. So there's a couple additional things you can do yourself to even extend the battery even further. Let's see, right now we're at apparently 13 hours and 49 minutes. You can disable NFC. It looks like actually that's the only thing that is enabled. So NFC, drop the brightness as well, and you can already see that it went from 1340 something to almost 17 hours. So you can also see it basically go up or down whenever you start moving it, as you can see. So if I want to drop the brightness super low to, well, looks like it's almost off. Hey, now I can barely see it, and it's, I think, at like 17 hours. Yeah, 17 hours and 23 minutes, which on the camera it looks like it's off. But yeah, as long as I bring it up, you can see it go up, or in this case down. So brightness of the display will also increase the battery life. Now, apart from this normal power saving mode, you have the ultra power saving mode, and as you can see at this current state of the brightness, it will apparently give us 41 hours and 36 minutes. So once I enable it, you will see kind of how come and that gives us so much time. And this is basically the ultra power saving mode. Notifications limited at best, applications limited at best, wallpaper non-existent, and that's basically all you get here. So this will give you the most amount of battery here. And if you want to leave this mode, you have the dedicated button to leave it. So right over here, the exit button, and once you click on it, choose exit, it goes back to the, I believe it's still in the power saving mode. So you can check it out, and yeah, it's still enabled the power saving mode. So once you disable it, it will then go back to normal. So that is basically the different ways you can enter the power saving mode. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.